Anu, what are you thinking of today?
Uh, you know, Anand, I was just thinking that one of the realization in life, most important, is that we don't need to be understood by everyone.
Mm-hmm.
Not every silence needs explaining. Not every choice needs validation. I mean, why do we need to justify and explain? And why do we have that thought like नहीं सबने हमें हम जो चाह बोलना चाहते हैं या हम जो सोचते हैं सबने हमें समझना चाहिए. In this entire process we get exhaust ourselves trying to prove our worth.
Yeah.
um, like, which is, I think, is not a great investment of time and energy. बस यही मैं सोच रही थी कि क्यों हाँ सब we have to be understood by everyone the way we think. And the truth is that peace begins where explanation ends.
True.
Peace in ourself, in our mind, peace within. Because now there's no need from our end for more explanation. You are allowed to be misunderstood. I mean, we do not have any reservations and we do not have that blocks in our mind के ठीक है भाई, आपको मुझे मिसअंडरस्टैंड करना है कर दीजिए. It should not bother you, it should not affect you, you should not feel otherwise. So that's what I think. You're allowed to be misunderstood and still be right. मिसअंडरस्टैंड करना है करिए, हम फिर भी राइट है दिमाग में, दिल में. ये मेरी सोच थी, ये मैं सोच रही थी.
Correct. Very true.
Just to keep the peace within intact.